Assalamu alaikum friends. I am heading towards Aharbal, which is located in district Kulgam. It is almost 27-28 kilometers from main district headquarters. And to reach there, you have to board a cab, which on most occasions is rarely available. So whenever you plan to visit Aharbal, plan extensively, because on reaching there you will hardly be able to board the next cab back to your destination. While you plan, make sure that you stay for full day or for a couple of days. There are also tourist huts built by tourist department of Jammu and Kashmir, which you can
ये वाला पीक जो है ना ये हमारे घर से
avail on rent,
this one, yeah.
or
दूर तो बहुत है लेकिन क्या क्या दूर है
as per some sources, locals of that area also rent their rooms at
हमारे घर से
cheap rates.
ये वाले भी लूटते हैं वो भी हैं
So please
30
plan
किलोमीटर
carefully.
80 रुपये किराया
It is better if you come in your personal vehicle, because transport is very bleak on this road.
बिल्कुल
It is a very beautiful tourist destination, famous for its majestic waterfall, which is at some distance from here.
नहीं आएंगे वहाँ
और आपको जाना इन सीढ़ियों से, you have to go by these ladders to reach near that waterfall.
करा मैंने यार पैर भी लाए
And also make sure you take some eatables with you, like some junk food or cold drinks, or your other foods like biryani or something else, because there are not so many hotels, 2 or 3 small dhaba kind of restaurants, and nothing more than
वहाँ
that.
पर वाटरफॉल है ना
Here you can see waterfall from a distance. Here we are moving forward towards that.
हाँ नहीं आएंगे क्या
Aharbal waterfall is very famous world over, at least in India. Tourists from far places from India come to have a glimpse of this majestic waterfall.
आ रहे हैं
Just here, tourist waterfall was
कहीं गिरना जाओ
unimaginable.
कहाँ करेंगे
People who deal with tourists or who deal with this business, tourist business, they are not imagined that they will witness this kind of tourist footfall this year. It surpassed all previous years.
वाटरफॉल पहला वाला घूमिए
Water is crystal clear. The main source of this waterfall is Kausar Nag.
थोड़ा देख के
Kausar Nag Lake
डाउनवर्ड से
is a high altitude glacial lake situated at almost I think 10, 15, 20 kilometers from this area, which is the main source of this waterfall. Water is crystal clean, pure. Look, you can see it gives green kind of reflection. Where it is deep, it looks green color, like below, deep blue, oceanic blue kind of color. Where it is deep, it gives oceanic color, oceanic blue kind of color. You can see it. It's not waterfall. It's kind of small waterfall. The waterfall is air of it. Air is the main waterfall. It looks like 10-12 feet, but it is very high. Very high. As per my estimate, it is almost 20 to 25 feet high whenever it is falling. And the volume of water is very much large. It is Ataman, and water was not so great, not that volume, but in summers water volume is very much high, more than this that you see is falling here. It is a picturesque tourist location in district of Kulgam, particularly the way, from main district headquarters Kulgam, the road that leads to Aharbal from district Kulgam, the main district headquarters or town. It is very romantic, very romantic. Very narrow road, but very romantic kind of aura all around. You can reach the destination from Srinagar through Shopian also. From Shopian you can reach by through Sido. Sido is a village of Shopian. From that side you can also reach there. If you come from Srinagar, plan to come from Srinagar. If you plan to come from Anantnag, then you can reach main district headquarters in Kulgam, and from that you can board any vehicle, any cab. But I told you earlier that transport service is very bleak on this road, so make sure you get enough supplies with you, and you also talk to your cab driver when he is leaving from this place, or if you want to stay, then plan accordingly. And more proper is if you
देसी पानी है देसी
bring your own personal vehicle. Tourism department has developed this footpath
चलते चलते
from the main park of this location.
याद रखना कभी अलविदा ना
This is the footpath, and while we are now leaving and moving ahead,
मेरी भी सांस थोड़ी थोड़ी ना फूल रही है
to the main park. From there we will again board a vehicle to our
मस्ताना
home back.
मौसम है रंगीन नजारा
This view is from the road that is over this. Waterfall. This road leads to Kausarnag. There is also another tourist destination. That's not actually tourist destination, but local people visit that. It's called Charanbal. Many kilometers from here, this road leads to that. 5 kilometers transport travel, and then you have to move on foot. You can see a glimpse of majestic waterfall from here. It's a must itinerary on any tourist. It's a must travel on any tourist itinerary. Locals are picturesque. Road is romantic. So never miss to visit Aharbal. Now we are leaving back home. Goodbye, Allah Hafiz. Never miss the opportunity to visit Aharbal. It suits your soul. Look, this is the road that leads to Aharbal. So plan accordingly. Try to bring your own personal vehicle or hire any cab for a few days if you have that much capacity, and enjoy breathtaking, picturesque and captivating locales of Aharbal. On both sides of the road you will find apple orchards from Kulgam itself and from district headquarters. Allah Hafiz.